No affiliate marketing, no selling, no investment, no skills required. If you are looking for a beginner-friendly strategy to make money online, then this is your lucky day, because in this tutorial, I will show you one of the easiest ways to make money online by far. You will literally be copying and pasting some text with almost no work involved, all thanks to these two sites here that will do almost everything for you. Just before I show you those websites, however, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have a rather unique and crazy strategy for you to make money. And this is literally one of the best ways to make money online as a complete beginner. As you will soon see, this is 100% beginner friendly and as simple as it can get. But you really want to stick around because I have several bonus platforms to show you to maximize your results. The very first website I have for you is this one right here called logaster.com. As the name of this site suggests, and as you can see on their homepage, this is a place where you can design various logos, among many other things you can do. And designing logos is actually not what we will be doing whatsoever. Anyways, what you will want to do when you come onto this site, guys, is you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page and you want to click on Free Business Tools right over here. On the following page, you will be able to see all of these free tools this site has to offer, and we will be utilizing one of these in order to make money. And believe it or not, that is the slogan generator right here. So you now want to click on that. So, as you've just heard, as weird and as surprising as it may seem, coming up with slogans, or rather this tool coming up with slogans for us, is what will make us money online. And I will show you in a second just how much money people are making coming up with business slogans themselves. Meanwhile, this tool literally does it for you. All you have to do is paste the name of the company in here that of course you would receive from your customer, and then choose what type of company it is, whether it's related to animals, art and design, business, and so on. And once you've done all that, you just need to click on Generate Slogan here for this tool to automatically generate dozens of slogans for you, all of which are absolutely awesome and done for you. You don't have to come up with anything yourself, and now that you know what this website is, how it works and all that, let me show you several different websites where you can actually make money off these slogans, as well as two bonus websites I will show you later on. The very first platform where you can make money by selling those done-for-you slogans is peopleperhour.com. What you can do on this site is, first off, create an absolutely free account by clicking on the sign up button in the upper right corner. And you will then create a gig, like these people here have, selling those business slogans. Anyhow, take a look at this. Even though it may sound weird that there is a lot of money to be made here, these people have all made thousands of dollars at a bare minimum. This person I found is charging $55 per customer and has had nearly 600 reviews. This means that we're talking about $30,000 made at the bare minimum, which is outright insane when you think about it. Here's another example. This woman is charging $100 per customer and has had 85 reviews, which is $8,500. I can go on and on from here, but you guys get the point. You can literally make thousands of dollars creating those slogans, and thanks to this tool here, you don't even have to bother coming up with them yourself. You just enter the company name, in which, as I said prior, you will get from the customer, select the industry, and just click on Generate Slogan for this to generate dozens of different slogans for you that you can then just send back to your customer and get paid quite nicely. People per hour, though, is far from the only place where you can make money selling those slogans. Another great platform I highly recommend is guru.com. And the main reason I recommend this platform, guys, is because it's not that competitive. You will hardly find people on here offering to sell business slogans. Meanwhile, the website is actually quite popular, meaning that now is the perfect time to jump on it and take advantage of the lack of competition. With all of that being said, guys, what's worth noting very much is that literally any freelancing platform is a good option. Just because I recommended People Per Hour and Guru myself doesn't mean you need to use them per se. No matter what platform you use, you will still be able to make a decent amount of money. Anyhow, as I said prior, I do have bonus websites for all of you. And the first one is this one right here called sloganslingers.com. And this website is actually much different than Logaster in that you can participate in slogan contests here. And if you win, you will get paid. So this is not a slogan generator whatsoever. What's worth noting about those contests is that even though you will have to deal with competition, which I know a lot of you won't like, a single one could literally make you like $1,000, if not more, which I think more than makes up for the fact that you have competition. As such, I would highly recommend you guys use this website alongside the freelancing platforms in order to get paid, since in that fashion, you will basically have more customers, meaning that in the end, you will be able to make more money. To be able to make money with this platform, what you need to do first, though, is sign up. To do that, just click on Write Slogans right up here. On the next page, you will see that you can sign up via Google or Facebook, which I always recommend over signing up with your email address. If you, however, prefer the second method, you will need to enter in your email address here, your full name in this box below, your password, which you will then need to retype, and finally, your PayPal email address. So yes, this site will pay you through PayPal indeed. To finish the process, just tick this box and then click on Create an Account. And once you create your account, you will be able to make money participating in those slogan contests. The next bonus website I have for you is this one here called squadhelp.com. Now, what this website is basically a place where you can find people who are running slogan contests. And something very much worth noting about this platform is that it is not free, so let me make that clear right away. But here are the upsides. For one, it's one of the best websites as far as slogan contests go, and even more importantly, you will only have to pay a $10 fee once, so you aren't required to invest a lot of money on a permanent basis. It's a mere $10 that you just have to invest once. Meanwhile, you can make hundreds of dollars with this site. Of course, if you guys don't feel like investing money, then you can most definitely use all the other platforms I've showed you today. You will still be able to get paid nevertheless. Now, for those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.